How to see address of a place in Google Maps. So in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open our Google Maps just like so. And then what we are going to do is try to check, for example, businesses. Okay, this one right here is a resort. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then if I'm going to hover over here down below, you will be able to see overview. But what you're going to do is scroll down even more and you should be able to see here the physical address of this particular resort or business. So as you can see, this is the address right here. And yep, say for example, that place that you are trying to take a look at is not an official business, then what you can do is try to check, say for example, a little bit far away from that. Okay, this one right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and try to drop a pin here. In order for me to do that, I just have to long press. So I'm going to do that one, and there you go. So now we have a drop pin. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then the moment I do that, you should be able to see here that we have an address. So again, that is how we are going to see an address of a place here in Google Maps.